In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message Lloyds Bank using secure chat in the app or online. We'll keep this simple and stress-free. Start by opening the Lloyds Bank mobile app on your phone or head to internet banking in your web browser and log into your account as you normally would. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and remember to keep your login details private. Never share your full password, PIN, or memorable information with anyone in chat. Once you're signed in, look for the area labeled support, help, or need help. The wording can vary slightly depending on the device you're using, but it's usually clearly visible on the main screen or in the menu. Tap or click that section and you'll see an option to start a secure chat. This opens an encrypted conversation inside your banking session, which means it's designed to protect your information while you talk to the bank. When the chat opens, you'll typically connect to the virtual assistant first. Go ahead and type your question in plain language like you would text a friend. If the virtual assistant can handle your query, it'll give you the answer right away. If not, it can connect you to a human advisor. That handoff usually happens smoothly in the same chat window. If there's a short wait, keep the chat open and your device awake so you don't miss a reply. During the conversation, you may be asked to confirm a few details about your account or the issue you're having. That's normal for security. Share only what's requested and relevant. Lloyds will not ask for your full password, your full memorable information, or your full card PIN in chat. If you're ever unsure, say so, and the advisor can clarify what's needed and why. You can use secure chat for a wide range of everyday banking questions, things like transactions you don't recognize, card issues, payment queries, or help navigating features in the app or online banking. It's a convenient option if you want help without calling or visiting a branch. Best of all, this secure messaging service is available 24/7. That makes it one of the fastest ways to get support whenever it suits you, especially outside of typical business hours. If you start a chat and need to step away, you can usually return to the same conversation within the app or your online banking session. And that's it. Open the Lloyds Bank app or internet banking, head to support or help, start a secure chat, and get the assistance you need anytime, anywhere.